Coconut whip recipe. Yield 1/2 cup. Time 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1 can 400 ml full-fat coconut milk, 1 teaspoon 5 ml vanilla optional, 1 teaspoon 5 grams icing sugar optional. Directions: 1. Place the can of coconut milk in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours, best if left overnight. 2. Once refrigerated, remove the lid to the can and carefully scoop out the solid white coconut milk fat into a small bowl, trying to avoid as much coconut water as possible. 3. Add the icing sugar and vanilla, if using, and whip together using a whisk, until fluffy. 4. Use the coconut whip to top brownies, fruit crumble, watermelon pizza, or as an icing for cakes or cupcakes. Notes: excluding refrigeration time. Storage: keep in an airtight container or jar in the fridge for 2 days. Variations: you can add spices like cardamom or cinnamon. The leftover coconut water is delicious in soups and curries, oatmeals or pancake batter. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.